how to register for a Westpac Bank Saving account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can register for Westpac Bank Savings account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to create a saving bank account on Westpac Bank, is actually very simple. All you have to do is just come to their official website, which is westpac.com.au. Once you're on the website, I'll also make sure to drop a link below. You're gonna see this type of interface where you just need to scroll, and here you'll find bank accounts button, where you'll find this option known as savings account. So make sure to just click the savings account link. Once you click on the savings account, right over here you'll be able to see all of these savings account options, such as for regular savers, for short-term savers, for kids and teens, depending upon what you want. Just go ahead and click the open now option here. Once you click the open now option next to the bank account that you would like to create, you will going to be able to see all these sorts of options where you can see the Westpac Life, Westpac Choice, and so on. So just select yes, this is what I'm looking for, and then click on the open now option. Once you've done this process, it will ask you to fill in some of these forms. So you can see what kind of account do you need. Select single. Already a Westpac customer, select no. And once we've done that, just click on the get started button here. Once you click on the get started option, on the next page it will take you to the page where you can simply fill in a form. So make sure to fill in all these sorts of legal form over here. Once you've filled in all of this legal form and details, your Westpac account will be successfully created online, and then you just have to call your bank in order to activate it. This way you can open a savings account on Westpac Bank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.